Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com. Very busy morning, very busy month. Everybody must be in the spirit of repairing their credit, getting out of debt. So we're helping them do it, and this is another video where I want to give you some information that I have not seen out there. And this happened. I happened to come across this from working with one of my other clients with my marketing services company. He is an insurance uh, agent, insurance broker, and we were talking about his keywords and stuff that he needs for marketing his services on Google. And he had said something about, well, I can easily write insurance over the phone without talking to someone. And I was like, how can you do that? You don't have to do any medical, they don't have to do any medical test of the individual. And he was like, I could just do an MIB report. And I was like, what is an MIB report? And that's a medical information. Well, the service is medical information bureau, so it's a credit bureau for medical records. And I was like, that's interesting. I thought that everything was on the credit reports and on the hidden side, because if you talk to any mortgage person or anyone that runs your credit, there's parts of your file that you never see. They even have your if you've ever committed a crime, it's on your credit reports, but you don't get to see that part, because if you saw that, you'd be ready to bust out and say, how the hell did you even get? Why is that information on my credit reports? But it's on there. If you had tickets, all types of stuff. Well, the MIB credit report, or the Medical Information Bureau, which maintains all of our medical history. They maintain it for 2 years, but we never know if it's more than that. And this is some of the things that it has all the history, but these are some of the things that I thought was very important for you to learn about. And that is that it contains all the information in there from companies that have inquired about your medical history. I think that that's very important, because when you look at that, and I'm going to order mine, you never know if a company can increase your rates due to your medical situation. We always think about it on the financial side for if you, your job, your credit score. But what if companies decided to, okay, we see that they have that, but what if this person has poor medical history, and that could play into us not being able to get our money back? Or let me say it this way. They might look at the medical history and say, this person takes care of their bills and stuff on this side, but looking at their medical history, they're heading down a path that where they may not be able to sustain themselves, and they start to lump that into how they're figuring the interest rates that they charge you for a loan. Also, something that was interesting that I saw on there, it was that if you look at your credit reports, everything on there is broken into codes. And so if you do a dispute, or you're disputing something, the credit reporting agencies break that into a code and say that this code wants to be challenged against this code, and that code may be the law. And that's how they break it down, because if they broke it into sentences, it would be, or paragraphs, it would just be so much work that it would never get done. So they break it into codes, and they say, if this code goes against this code, then this code spits it out, and the code spits it out into a paragraph, and it'll say it's either deleted, or it's going to stay the same, or we want more information. Well, with the interesting thing that I've learned about my research with the MIB reports, is that due to them having limited codes, what it's doing is it's lumping all of us into certain categories that we may not fit into. And if they're lumping us into these categories, insurance companies could charge us more for our insurance rates due to not having complete information on making an educated decision about our medical situation. So I thought that that was very interesting. I'm pretty sure that they're working on that, but I thought that that was very interesting. Can you dispute information on an MIB report? Yes, you can. And if you go online, type in MIB credit reports or Medical Information Bureau, and you'll get the address. And I'm going to post it below this video also. But you can get to that information, get to the bureau that has those records, request the documents, and then you can dispute any of the information that is on there. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed this education. I mean, I enjoyed it when I learned more about it. If you need help with your credit, you can click the link below or visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com, and we will help you out or answer any questions that you may have. You can also post your comments below on this video. Thank you.